This audio is brought to you by Be the Parenting app.
The habit of lying. My child has developed a habit of lying. How can I calmly tell him that this is wrong? When you say that your child is lying, there are two aspects of it. Whether the child is lying to save himself or the child is lying for fun's sake. If the child is lying to get away from punishment, from something wrong they have done, it is their defense. Then you have to make it a point that makes them realize that their behavior is unacceptable. You can do this by telling them that irrespective of whatever they lied, you know the things which they have done, and this is something which they can't hide from you. Tell them firmly but calmly. As you are younger and we are your parents, we know exactly what you have done. The other aspect is that if they are lying just sake for the fun, then make them realize that there are consequences for this lying habit as well. When you say lying, it is something which they are using as a defense mechanism, or it is a method of manipulating and altering the truth. Here, being calm is something which is the most important requirement for the parent, because as parents we feel, oh, how can my child lie to me? And in this particular aspect, we have to be very sure that they are lying. You have to talk to them giving solid proof that they are lying. This is something which you as parents have to be sure and thorough with facts ready, because children are very smart. If you just say in air, you are lying and I know, they will not agree to you. So, keep your facts ready and then confront them. Just don't leave it like, oh, you lied today and it is okay. The most important thing that confronting has to be immediate after the episode. If you know that your child has lied to you today, then confront him there and then, instead of waiting or allowing days to pass. Do not keep it hanging, otherwise you won't get any result. When you say lying tendency, it also comes with the concept of fear. Maybe your child is too scared of sharing his or her own stuff with you, and that's the reason they might be lying to you. So what you can do is try and gain that trust and develop a rapport with your child where the child does not want to lie towards you. It is just that they are scared of your behavior towards them, and this is motivating them to lie. So first, check for yourself that either are we the reason behind our child's lying? If yes, we can rectify ourselves. We can assure them that they can share anything and everything with parents. Tell them, it's okay. I will handle it and you can trust me completely. You don't need to lie to me. For more insights, download Be the Parenting app. Thank you.